In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Metatrader 5 time. Right up front, here's the key. You can't directly change the time inside Metatrader 5. The time you see on your charts is controlled entirely by your broker's trading server, not your computer clock. That means no setting inside MT5 will override it, and every candle, order timestamp, and account history entry will follow the broker's server time. Most MT5 brokers run their servers on GMT+2 during winter and GMT+3 during summer, shifting with daylight saving time. This keeps the weekly chart neatly aligned with the global trading week, but it also means the display might not match your local time zone. For example, if you're in the Philippines at GMT+8 and your broker server is on GMT+3, your chart will look 5 hours behind your local time. A 1400 kwak local move would show as 09 kwak on the chart. Understanding this relationship helps prevent confusion when backtesting, placing pending orders, or syncing with news events. So, what can you do instead? The most convenient approach is to use a local time indicator. Many traders install a custom indicator that adds your computer's local time right onto the chart alongside the server time. To set it up, download a local time indicator file in .mq5 or .ex5 format, then copy it to MT5 by going to File, Open Data Folder, MQL5, and Indicators. After that, restart MT5 so it can load the new file. Finally, drag the indicator from your indicators list onto the chart. You'll now see your local time clearly displayed, which makes reading candles and matching them with your schedule much easier. If you don't want to use an indicator, you can convert times manually. Just add the time difference between your location and the server. Using our earlier example, when the server shows 0900 twag, your Philippines time is 1400 twag. At 1200 twag server time, it's 1700 twag for you. And at 1500 twag server time, it's 2000 twag locally. Keep in mind that this offset may shift by an hour when daylight saving time begins or ends on the server side. Lastly, you can choose a different broker. Brokers use different server time zones, and while you still can't change the time yourself, you can select one whose server time aligns better with your routine or preferred session times. That's it. You can't change MT5's time directly, but with a local time indicator, a quick manual conversion, or a broker whose server time suits you, you'll navigate charts with clarity and confidence.